Think financial freedom is only for the rich? Think again. Whether you're earning $30,000 or $300,000, financial freedom is achievable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build wealth and take control of your future, even on a low income. Let's dive in! Hey everyone! Welcome back to Financially Savvy, where we simplify money, investing, and financial independence. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for weekly tips to transform your financial life. Today, we're tackling a big myth that you need a high income to achieve financial freedom. Spoiler alert, you don't. I'll show you practical steps to save, invest, and build wealth, even if you're starting with a modest paycheck. Ready? Let's go! What is financial freedom? First, what does financial freedom actually mean? It's the point where your passive income covers your living expenses, so you don't have to work unless you want to. In short, it's freedom from financial stress. Think about this. If you're earning $3,000 a month in passive income from investments, and your expenses are $2,500 a month, you're financially free, even on a modest lifestyle. The key is to work smarter, not harder. Step 1. Know your numbers. The first step to financial freedom is knowing where your money goes. Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. You can use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Once you've identified your spending patterns, look for ways to cut costs. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar closer to freedom. Step 2. Create a budget that works for you. Next, create a budget that prioritizes your financial goals. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. If your income is low, focus on flipping the equation. Cut back on wants and aim to save or invest at least 30-40%. It's tough, but the sacrifices you make now will pay off big later. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This fund will protect you from unexpected costs like car repairs or medical bills, and keep you from going into debt. Start small, $500, then $1,000, and build from there. Even saving $50 a month adds up over time. Step 4. Invest wisely, even with a small budget. Investing is the game changer, even if you're starting small. Here are 3 easy ways to begin. Index funds and ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified investments. You don't need to pick individual stocks. Just track the market and let your money grow. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns or Stash let you start investing with as little as $5. Every dollar you invest gets you closer to financial freedom. Retirement accounts. Max out your employer's 401k match if available. If not, open a Roth IRA and contribute what you can. It's tax-free growth. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Even $50 a month can grow into thousands over the years thanks to compound interest. Step 5. Increase your income. If your income feels too low, it's time to think creatively. Here are 3 ways to boost your earnings. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, selling on Etsy, or driving for Uber can bring in extra cash. Use this money to pay off debt or invest. Learn a high-income skill. Upskilling in areas like coding, digital marketing, or graphic design can help you land higher-paying opportunities. Ask for a raise. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. Highlight your achievements and show how you've added value to your company. Step 6. Stay consistent and motivated. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small wins, stay disciplined, and remember why you started. Financial freedom isn't about overnight success. It's about building a better future, one step at a time. You can do this. Financial freedom on a low income is absolutely possible. It's all about making smart choices, staying consistent, and never giving up. Start tracking your expenses, save aggressively, and invest what you can. Every little bit helps. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on saving, investing, and achieving financial independence. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip from today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.